Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to GLOBO ARTE magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneurs talking about the various print-on-demand websites, online ad business ideas, and a little bit about the online entrepreneurship. Well, in today's videos, guys, I'm going to show you how to make a print-on-demand design, especially for the t-shirt or for the stickers in Photoshop. So I'm going to show you how to use a Photoshop and how to make your designs, and these designs would be completely catering to the fonts design, guys. I'm not going to show you how to make textures in right now, but if you are interested in knowing about how to make the Photoshop textures and all that for making your print-on-demand designs, let me know in the comment section below. I'll make another video for showing you how to make Photoshop textures and all that. But in today's videos, guys, I'm going to show you how to make font design in the Photoshop itself, and it's just so easy and it's so simple to make it. Hop onto my laptop and I'm going to show you in a second. And okay guys, we are currently on the Photoshop. Now this is the Photoshop tutorial of me showing you how to make a font design for your print-on-demand design, especially in the Photoshop. And then this is just so easy to do it, guys. Now we are on the Photoshop. If you're following the tutorial, just open up your Photoshop and we're just gonna select the canvas. So I'm just gonna click over to the file option and just gonna click over to the new button. And here you can set the name, size, or the color of the canvas. So I'm just gonna select the name. So I'm just gonna write the POD design. Size is already 5000 by 5000 pixels. You can choose it whatever way you want to. And here is the color if you want to select any color, and if you want your background to be white or background color or transparent. But I think I'm gonna go with the transparent because I want my font to be having a transparent PNG background. So I'm just gonna select the transparent in the very beginning only, so that it won't have any difficulty later on down the road. So I'm just selecting my canvas as the transparent because I want my background to be transparent, my canvas to be transparent, for me to have my font design as a transparent PNG background. So I'm selecting the transparent, guys. You can select the white or you can select whatever color you want to go with that and just click on the OK button. So here we are, 5000 by 5000 pixels transparent canvas. Now we're just gonna go proceed with that, and we're just gonna go over to the text tool. So here there are the various tools on the Photoshop, guys. The left tool, the right tool, then the upper, the bottom, and all that. So I'm just gonna go over to the left option. You can see there are various different options, guys, and we're just gonna go over to the text tool. So our text tool is this one. This is the horizontal type tool, and this is the text tool. So I'm just going to click over here, and here we are. Now just go over to the top and we have the different options to select our font type. You can select the whatever font type you want to go with that. So I'm just going to select a simple one to show you guys. So let me see which one I need to select it. You have various different types of font type, guys. You can select whatever one you want to go with that. I'm just going to go with the Pristina. It looks very unique. And then you can select the font size from here. By default they have till the 72, but if you want to set the type of font type you want, usually I tend to use the 500, so that's why you can see it's 500 written over here. But you can select the whatever type of font you want. You can go with the 200 or 100, whatever one you want to go with that. And you can also do it, increase or decrease it later on also, guys. Then this is the one you can just have the font style as a sharp, crisp, smooth, whatever one. I'm just gonna keep it as a sharp. Then we have this type of thing, like you want left, you want center or right, like alignment of the text, whatever you want to go. This is the font color. So usually tend to on the Redbubble, the black t-shirts sell so well, which they have the white font or the red font or even the yellow font at times. But I'm just gonna make the black font, especially for the white stickers and the white t-shirts. So I'm just selecting the black option from here. You can select whatever color you want to go with that. You can also add your own swatches over here and just click on the OK button. Then we have another option, that is the wrapping of the text. If you want your shape of the text to be curved on the downside, on the left side, or whatever one you want to go with that. So now we're just gonna go proceed with that and click over to our canvas. And guys, I'm just taking a simple quote that is a motivational quote that we need that all the times, and we love to have it on our t-shirt and also on our stickers. So that is a simple quote, is believe in yourself. So I'm just going to proceed with that. So I'm just going to select the caps lock, believe in yourself. Now guys, you can see the size of the font is too small, so I'm just going to select this font type and just going to go over to here, font size, and just going to increase the font size to maybe like 500. Let's see. Yeah, the 500 looks perfect. The 500 is looking perfect. The believe in yourself, you can just go with the various details of that. You can also come over to the left section and can select the type of the font type. If you want the capital, if you want the underline, like you can go with that and be creative with that and all that. Apart from that guys, you can also add the shapes to these simple fonts. If you don't want to keep it as a very simple, you can add the shape as well. So I'm just gonna show you exactly how to add the shape to this font. So here is another tool, just second tool after this text tool. There is this tool, this is a shape tool. So I'm just gonna click over to the shape tool. Now you have the various different type of shapes. You can say select the shape, path, or pixels. I'm just gonna select the shape. Then you can have the color. You can have the what type of color fill you want. This is ideally the black. Then you have the stroke. Then you have the size over here. Then this is one you either want the dash or underline, like single line or whatever type of you want it. Then from here you can select the type of the shape you want. Like there are various different type of shapes guys, but since I think like believe in yourself is more like a type of a checklist form of option, you can either go with the heart shape or this whatever cropping or arrows. Like be creative with that guys, you can do it whatever one you. I'm just gonna select this checkbox option, check mark, and we'll just gonna come over here, just cancel it. And I just want my checkbox to be right in front of the believe. So I'm just gonna come over here and just gonna select it and just leave it like that. So you can see it's coming as the black color because we have selected the fill as the black. You can select it as the red color, yellow color. There are various different color shades. You can also choose the gradients from here. You can just be creative with it guys. There are many ways in which you can be doing it. So I'm just going to select the red color because I think the red color will going to look more apt. And you can also select the size guys. It's width and height. You can just be doing it wherever way you want to do it, but I think this size is looking apt with this type of font. I'm just gonna click OK. So guys, this is the type of the shape. You can see very well, like this is the tick font and this is the believe in yourself. Okay, so this one I just selected on the outside, so that's why it's showing you guys, but it's not there on the canvas, so it won't be included in the canvas, so don't be figure about it. But yeah guys, this is a simple font style type of thing you can do in the Canva Photoshop. You can be creative with that. You can add the different font style. You can just put the different type of colors. You can add the various type of colors. You can also add the different types of shapes, colors. You can add the gradients. Like you can be doing it whatever way you want to. Just be creative with that guys. That's it. That is so simple and so easy guys. And now after finishing up with the design guys, don't forget to save your file. Save your file as a transparent PNG background, which is so important guys, because after making your complete design, if you're selecting as a JPEG, then you would be getting this canvas that you can see right now, this transparent canvas at the back of your design, at the back of your font file, which we don't want it. We want the complete transparent PNG. So don't forget to save your file as a transparent PNG background once you are done with the designing and all that. So I'm just going to go over to the file option and just going to go over to the save option. So here in the save option guys, you can see there are the various different file format size. You can go with that, but I would tell you go with the PNG because we want the transparent PNG background of your design, because we will be putting it on stickers, on the t-shirts. So don't save it as a JPEG or any other file option, because then you would be having this background, the canvas that you're seeing right now, but we don't want that. So I'm just gonna go over to the PNG option. just select the PNG option, and then you can be writing the file name if you want that, but we have already put it as a file name as the pod design.png, whatever way, and then just click on the save option. And if you want the compression to the smallest, if you want interlace or not, I don't want it, I just want it by default only, and then just click on the OK button. Now the files are saving, so it's 97% done, guys. Yeah, boom, the file is saved. That's it, guys. It's so simple and so easy to make a simple font design in the Photoshop. No designer stuff is needed. It's just so simple and so easy. Me showing you how to make a font design or how to make a text design in Photoshop for your print on demand design. It's just so simple and so easy, guys. I hope that it really helps you a lot. Let me know in the comment section below if you want more of the Photoshop tutorial videos on how to make print on demand designs in the Photoshop. Let me know in the comment section below. I'm going to make another videos for this topic specifically relating to the design making in the Photoshop. But that's it for today's videos, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. See you for the next time, guys. Take care. Bye.